In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up high and low level boards on Monday.com. Whether you're new to Monday.com or just looking to optimize your project management workflow, these steps will guide you through the process, making it seamless and efficient. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Monday.com website. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on the login button. This is where you'll need to log into your account to access the full capabilities of Monday.com. If you already have an account, you have a couple of options to log in. One easy way is signing in with Google, which is especially convenient if you're already in the Google ecosystem. Alternatively, you can manually enter the email address associated with your account. If you choose the Google option, find and select the email address you plan to use. Now that you're logged in, it's time to choose your high-level board. Think of this as your main dashboard that gives you an overview of everything you're managing. It's crucial because this is where all the major project updates will be aggregated and displayed. To enhance your board's functionality, you'll want to connect lower level boards. These are the boards that will feed information into your high level board. To do this, locate the plus sign button next to the last column in your high level board. Click on it to begin connecting your boards. Next, click on Connect Boards. This action prompts you to select other boards that you'll want to link up. When you click Select Boards, you'll see a list of all your lower level board projects. Select low level board 1 as well as any other boards you've created that you wish to integrate. With those selections made, you'll again hit Connect Boards. This creates a connection between the high level and low level boards, effectively consolidating your data. Once connected, you'll want to create a mirror column. This is key because it allows you to view and manage tasks from multiple boards from one central location. After the mirror column is established, both a connecting board column and the mirror column will appear. This gives you a visual representation of your interconnected projects, allowing for easier management. Now comes the fun part, selecting which columns you want to connect. Simply click the plus sign under the Connect column board. This enables you to customize which pieces of information should be mirrored to your high level board. Finally, add specific tasks from your low level boards that you want prominently displayed on your high level board. This setup ensures that the most important tasks are always visible, streamlining your workflow and keeping all team members informed and focused. And there you have it, a completely functional high and low level board system that will enhance your project management experience on Monday.com. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.